Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to enable or disable notifications in Tinder PC. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. This right here is the interface. Now let's simply go to our profile. On the top left, here's your profile button right here. Just click on it. Then this page will open up. Let's simply scroll down. Once you scroll down, something like this will open up. It's just below the activity status. Well, we do want to turn off notifications for email and push notifications. So let's go to each and one of them. Initially, I'm gonna go to email and this popped up. Well guys, as you can see, I have already disabled it. In case you want to enable them, simply toggle on these buttons. As you can see, I have toggled each and every one of them. Now let's again go back. Now here's the push notifications. I'm gonna go to push notifications once again. These are the push notifications that I have enabled. If you want to disable them, simply toggle off all these buttons and then your push notifications will be disabled. In context that you want to enable them, simply toggle the buttons on. And guys, that's it. That's how you enable or disable notifications in Tinder PC. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.